Indoka. Go home and take your position. Your ancestors has given you much time. The gods of our land has chosen you. And there is nothing you can do about it. Go home! Go!
Where did you go? Just hold it. What is going on between you and Dad?
Nothing is happening between me and Dad. And for God's sake, why are you talking to me in this manner? Charles, I'm your elder brother, and you need to talk to me with respect, okay?
No, you expect me to respect you? When you cannot respect our own father? Are you out of your senses?
Yes, call that bullshit. Got it. I respect him, but I don't fear him. Okay? Is there anything wrong for me to tell my father when and where he's going wrong?
And I said you don't have to do it!
Charles, and I say I'll do it again and again and again. I'm not a party to that your evil deeds. I know you're his replica. You think I don't know how you arranged with your cult members to go and kill Mazi Kedi? Oh? Charles, let me tell you something. Huh? I'm not scared of you, and I'm not scared of those bloody cult members!
Do you know whom you are talking to?
All the time! Go!
I see what I'm telling you, Nani. They're already fighting. Please come, Nani. Please. Charles! What is that? It's okay.
Man, leave me. Mommy, hey, Mommy.
I didn't do it though, I swear! I didn't do anything!
Mommy!
I didn't do anything though!
Mom!
Dad. I swear I didn't do anything!
Charles! Dad, he killed her!
Dad!
He killed her! Dad, he killed her, Mommy! Mommy, come now, please!
Dad, I didn't do
Mommy! I can't.
Igwe adio.
Igwagwoka.
Igwe kotoburu. Ị ga-adị.
Igwagwoka.
Igwe ogboye must ndị na-agwa. Abogiri, you live forever. Igwe kotoburu. Dika na-akpọ okwu n'anya. Ya adị.
Igwe.
Ngonya.
Okotobulu. Wole. Okotobulu. Nkonye kote n'isi.
Oh, Ivobo. Angulekama, huh! Carnivorous animal. You carnivorous animal. Carnivorous animal. Cannibal. That's what you are. Yes. Yeah, no. Or whatever they call you. You and that so-called Okotobru. You think we don't know I have your data? You people have planned to sell the entire Ubru land to foreigner so that you can be eating every proceeds from that. But it will not work.
Hold it, please. What is actually your headache now?
My headache is that you people should leave this town because you don't belong to this town. You're slaves.
Do you know what should be your headache?
What?
How to reduce this your pregnancy to a manageable proportion. You know, if I had a needle now, I would have punctured it and it will burst and pull with the liver. But since I don't have a needle, let me go and call a midwife.
That is the way we will you and Okotobru. You and Okotobru. You people will be excommunicated because you do not belong to this land.
If we deliver this baby, I will just
slave
him palm wine.
Slave! Slave, return to your home! You people do not belong to Uburu land!
Pregnant man.
Elders of Uburu land, you will go in search of your IGWE. The gods has chosen Indoka Madi. You will go and find him and bring him home.
Eyes of the gods. How do we begin the search for Indoka? Nobody knows about Indoka. Even the mother who could have helped us is no more.
Indoka is alive. The gods revealed to me that Indoka is living and working in the city. The gods will lead you. Ebube, the gods has chosen you to lead the search.
Eyes of the gods. I've not been to the city. How can I lead the search?
How dare you question the wisdom of the gods? The gods will lead you to the city. The eye of the gods will monitor your movement. No. Ogwala.
We will be going.
Remember, the journey must be embarked on soon. Very soon.
Eyes of the gods.
Emalia.
We have heard you.
Ezamo.
Nenum.
How are you today?
Where's your parents?
without coming to call me.
Hey, I'm sorry. I was so much in
Is that how we do it now?
No.
I always call you whenever I'm going to the stream.
Sorry.
No, guess why I sorted on my way to stream?
What did you see?
A gold. Her pregnancy has come out. Wait, let me open.
When I was telling you, sure you were doubting it. Sure you not see for yourself. Oh, poor girl. Hey, her husband is no more alive. To see his child.
Which husband? Don't pretend you don't know what is going on in this village. Wait, do you think the late husband is responsible for that pregnancy? Better start thinking.
Ubu, gossip. You always give dogs banning just to kill it. If the late husband is not responsible for her pregnancy, tell me, who is?
Neddy. So you've not heard?
Heard what?
You've not heard that Ichokuteburu impregnated a goody? You've not heard? You're in this village.
Abomination!
You're lost.
Come on. How did you know?
It's no longer news. Everybody knows. Meanwhile, her husband's relatives have sent her packing. They even accused her of killing her late husband.
Ichie Okote Ubulu. That man, he needs to be handled. Handled. Otherwise, he will turn all of us to be slaves in this land. I heard Ina goes about. Telling people that he's our IGWE.
What do you expect him to do? The fear of his name in this village is the beginning of wisdom. Ichokuteburu is so powerful and wealthy that every man adores him in this village. So who will challenge him? Me or you? Please leave me alone, no.
Come on, let me go.
Yeah, let me run.
Alright, we'll see all our place.
Okay, don't forget.
Okay.
Alright, bye-bye.
I'm not living here today. I'm not going anywhere. You put me in this condition and you expect me to keep quiet. No, I'm not going anywhere.
So what do you want me to do?
Now you promised to marry me. After all, your wife is dead. That's the reason why you should marry me.
Have I said I'm not going to marry you? Have I? I never said I'm not going to marry. You see, this is the problem with you women. You're always putting words into our mouths. Did I say I will not marry you? I did not. Eh? Why must you bother you?
Nah, good afternoon. Nah, what is happening here?
Ask her. Ask her.
Hey, good day, what are you doing here? What is happening here?
What is your business?
You're asking me what is my business, I go there. Is that what you're asking me?
Ugoma. Please, we're in this together. Can't you see I'm pregnant for him? Let's find a solution, please. Let's not fight over it.
Nai, what do we do?
What do you want me to do?
Nai, marry us then.
Good. I'm going to marry both of you. I will come and see your parents, if they are still alive, and I will talk things over with them so I can marry both of you.
So, you're coming to marry us?
What are you people still doing here? I have decided to marry two of you. You are pregnant for me. You are still standing. All right. Go and get priests to come and marry us now. Go on. If you don't want me to see your parents, go and get priests to come and marry us.
Go.
Quickly, I'm waiting.
Go now, go. Hey, go there, go.
I will marry two of you by next week.
my heart is heavy.
Why?
I visited SMO this morning, and he mandated me to go to the city to look for Indoka Amade.
Okay. Is that why your heart should be heavy? It's good, very good, let me tell you. That is the only way we can find out all that is happening to us. Let it come to a stop. You know, Ebube, I am actually suspecting some people. I'm telling you the truth.
What's that?
Oh, you're asking me. You know those unscrupulous and undesirable people that have been parading themselves as our Igwe? They are terrible people. And until they are eliminated, there won't be peace in this town. You know, I am suspecting that they bewitched Indoka so that he wouldn't come home anymore. So that way, the throne will be easy for them to take.
You are right, Onwego. But I'm afraid to go to the city. I heard the city is very far.
Oh yes. Very, very, very far away. And you know what? In the cities, it's very close to the land of the spirits. Oh yes. In fact, in some part of the city, you'll be hearing the voices of the spirits. Honestly speaking.
May the gods forbid.
How I wish, Ebube, that I'll be part of that journey.
Okay. I now remember that you were once living in...
Oh, you forgot I had lived in the city for 22 years.
Yes.
And presently, my daughter is still there studying. Oh, yes. And that my brother, my only brother, Maurice, the one I popularly called Maurice Minor, is also in the city, working in one of the leading oil companies. Oh, these are the things I have. So when I talk within this community, people should respect me. Why wouldn't I say the truth? I will continue to say the truth. Do you know what? Soon, my daughter will graduate. PhD. Now, Agnes Onwego. She will now be Mrs. Agnes Onwego for now, because I know that very soon, if she back that degree, PhD, people will be coming to marry her. Then I will tell them that the trailer that they will bring drink for Ubru community. That is when I may even contest for that Igwe ship.
If that is the case, I'm going to see Ezudo so that you will be part of it.
Please tell Ezudo I want to lead the delegation to the city, because this thing is getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. Onwego ni ga na-ekwu eziokwu. Onwego na-ekwu eziokwu na ivonya nyele gị mmanya ka ịṅụọ. Ebube, ị ga-egonyekwa ụmụ nkwụ ka na-ekwu eziokwu.
Let him wear it if he deserves it. For who the gods have chosen, no one can change it, no matter what happens. For what's meant to be will surely be. What will be, will be. For what's meant to be will surely be. What will be, will be. Selfish needs and evil deeds is the order of the day. That's the kind of thing we see today. Covetousness and wickedness, that's what people do today. Just because they want something so bad, they are willing and ready to do anything and everything just to have it. They will steal, they will kill and destroy. Oh no, any method to achieve their deadly aim they will employ. Oh no, but they forget he who the crown fits. Let Let him wear it, let him wear it. He deserves it. Oh no, oh no. For who the gods have chosen, no one can change. No matter what happens, no matter for what's meant to be, will surely be. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. For what's meant to be, will surely be. What will be, will be. A man can do all he wants to do today, but for sure he will pay for them someday. It doesn't matter how long it takes, he will surely pay. You can do all you want to do to achieve your deadly aim. You cannot change destiny, for the gods are watching, and whom they have chosen will surely, surely overcome. Yeah. He who the crown fits, let him wear it, let him wear it. He deserves it, deserves it. For who the gods have chosen, no one can change it. No matter what happens, for what's meant to be, will surely, what will be, what will be, will be. For what's meant to be.
Hello. Are you sure of what you're saying?
I'm sure. Why sure? Ebube, Udemba, and Onuego have gone to the city in search of Indoka as we are talking now. I'm sure.
Are they sure that Indoka is in the city?
Ezemo told them that Indoka is working and living in the city. Okote, this situation has got to a frightening dimension I never imagined. Everybody in the village is avoiding me. Avoiding Momabu no. Okote, I think it's high time we give up. Nobody fights the gods and survives. Nobody.
No. Oh, no. No. I will not give up.
You're not giving up?
I will throw in everything I have into this fight to be the Igwe, including my own life. Yes, including my life. Look, the death of my wife has strengthened me, and I mean every word of it. You don't know what you stand to gain if I become the Igwe of this community. I am not obsessed with being the Igwe simply because I want to occupy a traditional stool and be a custodian of culture and tradition. I don't give a damn about culture and tradition. To sit in the village and keep breaking kola nut every morning now. But there is oil in this land. Oh no, there is oil. You know what that means? White men will come here to prospect for oil. The amount of money that we shall collect, we can use in buying every single thing. It means we shall never go again. I will not let such an opportunity slip by. No.
Okote, I know everything you're talking about. But the question is, how do we survive if Indoka comes back? What happens to us? How do we live? That's the question.
That's what is disturbing you now, right?
Yes.
Let him come. Let him come. It is not for nothing that I answer Okote Obulu. It's Igwe. Let him come. I will prove to him that what I saw sitting down, he cannot see, even if he climbs the top of a mast. He is but a boy. Let him come. Let him come.
Iba Walker. Iba Walker.
Nena! Nena!
Yes, father.
Please go and check who is at the gate.
how are you?
Sorry.
It's all right. Is my brother Maurice in?
Yes, he's inside.
Oh, he's inside?
Yes.
You.
Wait.
Come. I have taken you people to the city, see how happy you people are. Look at my brother's car. This one is what they call a land aeroplane, land jet. If you move inside this one, you'll see a vroom. Come, stop looking like Goku. This one is not drinking palm wine in the village. Next time, you people know how big I am. Come. This is mine. You're going to see my brother, but don't eat like a hungry man. Huh? You must wait for me to give you signal before you eat anything here. Maurice Minor! Maurice Minor! Is your senior brother. Remember, do not touch. Electrocution. Beware. Maurice Minor. My dear, how are you?
Elders, you are welcome.
How are you?
Brother, I hope all is well.
Oh, all is well. Everything is all right. We actually want to see Indoka.
Which of the Indoka?
Maurice. The Indoka from our village. Don't you remember Indoka again?
Oh. Indoka Amadi.
Yes.
Indoka is my colleague in the office.
Oh, beautiful. Thanks to our gods. I told you people that our gods can never depart from us.
Oh, yes.
Can't you see things are working out right? Please, you must take us to Ndoka's house now.
But please, come and just have your seat so that you can get seated.
We're on emergency, please. Just take us where we see Indoka.
Indoka by now must have been on his way to the United States of America.
Yeah. But God forbid.
He's actually going for 3 months holiday. I am sure he will be leaving by 5, and it is almost 5 already.
What? 3 what? No, please. Now. Either to the airport or to his house. We must see him. It's an emergency. Come, drop whatever you are doing.
Nana! Get me my car key fast.
Please. It's important. Now. Either to the airport
my car key
or to his house. Please. Hurry, Maurice.
Okay, please, I'm going with them.
The ticket is on top of the bed.
I'm coming with it.
I just pray there will not be any traffic on the road.
Okay.
Except that I will miss my flight.
You won't. Let me pick my purse, please. I'm coming.
Okay. Uh-oh. My car keys. What kind of joke is this now? Rita!
Yes, honey. Oh,
Please, please, please. If this is a joke, stop it. Where is my passport and my ticket that I kept here?
I gave it to you now. I won't lie with your passport.
How can you be telling me you gave it to me? A passport that I kept here suddenly developed wings and flew away?
Honey, I gave you your passport. I won't lie with it now.
No. This is serious. I said, where is my passport? I kept it here. I went inside there to just to get my car keys.
Maybe you might have jumped.
Please, get it up, please. A passport that I kept here, I went in there to collect the keys. Huh?
Oh, Morris.
Yeah, Rita.
Welcome.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Morris.
Yeah.
Thank God you're here. You cannot believe that
We got it.
Morris. What is it? What is happening here? Who are these people? Indoka, you are asking too many questions at the same time.
You have girls from our village. You have to welcome them first.
Please, for crying out loud, tell me what is happening here. Well, Indoka, these elders are from our village. Anyway, I thought you must have left. But considering their age and the stress of the long distance they traveled, considering the urgency and the urgency of their message, I decided to bring them to your house.
My elders, you're all welcome. Please, sorry for keeping you standing. Sorry for keeping you standing. Please, sit down. Honey, these are elders from my village.
Please, come in and make yourself comfortable. You know, freshen up, and before then your meal will be set. Come.
Morris, I still imagine and wonder how my passport suddenly developed wings and disappeared. Morris, this is mysterious. Indoka, I always tell you that we are in control of our actions and not the results. Whether you believe it or not, there are forces controlling our lives. Your passport's sudden disappearance has something to do with the elder's visit. Morris, I hope they have something reasonable to say. You have to listen to them first. But please, do not turn them down. I think I'll be leaving for now.
I'll see you later.
So, Indoka, my son, many things are happening in our town. Our plants and animals are dying. In fact, Ngene stream, the only source of water, had dried up.
Yes.
And Ezemo said you are the solution to our problem.
Ezemo, me? Solution?
Yes. You have been chosen by the gods to be our next Igwe.
Oh yes, and Igwe, that is why we have come all this distance to inform you that you can choose him as the next Igwe. Igwe got it.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all, Igwe.
Okay, I've heard all that you said.
I will sleep over it and we'll talk about it tomorrow. Okay? Thank you. So you just go in and rest your nerves. Okay?
That type of English liquor that I used to drink in those days that I was in the city. Give it to me. Now, I am in the desert.
Honey.
Oh,
darling.
Can you allow me rest? Please.
Please, darling. Darling.
Oh, come on. What is it? Huh? Why can't you allow me have a rest?
Please, darling. Listen to the voice of reason. I mean, your people cannot be passing through such difficulties and hardships, and you insist on not helping them. Just bear this in mind. At the end of the day, you and I will not be free.
Oh, okay, let me ask. What do you expect me to do? What?
Go and take your leadership position and spare your people this hardship.
No. Don't even go there, okay? I am not their God.
Honey, you...
Enough of this, okay? I said I am not interested. Listen, 100 of you will not convince me, okay? So, do have a nice sleep.
No, you don't have to back me, honey. Please, let's finish this. I mean, you can't just let the... Okay, what are you going to tell the elders?
Listen, I will leave this room for you. And you sleep here alone.
Ndoka, go home and take your position. Your ancestors has given you much time. The gods of our land has chosen you. And there is nothing you can do about it. Go home! Go! Go!
Honey, what is it? What?
Baby, another dream.
This dream again.
Another dream.
It's okay, okay? Go back to sleep. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Yes, Indoka. We have been kept in an undue silence.
What message are we taking home? What do we tell our people when we get home?
My elders, let me start by apologizing for allowing you pass through this stress and pains that you've gone through. But I don't think I can... Sorry. I don't think I can follow you people to the village right away. But I have agreed on all that you have said. I'll be coming to the village in the next 3 days. At least to enable me tackle some pressing issues that I have at hand. More so, you know, when I finally come to the village, I will spend more time with my people. Since we are all ready, I will drop you off at the park where you'll see a car going to our hometown, Ubru.
Yes, very good. You were very good. But I don't know whether to remind you about that my neighbor, the one I tested.
No, obviously I will get that for you when coming.
Very nice. So that when I get home, I will tell Okoto that he has never visited the city.
Thank you once more, okay? So let's get to the park.
Frank, come here. You don't greet your father anymore, right?
I'm sorry, Dad. Good afternoon, Dad.
I wonder what is holding these village people, that they have not stoned him to death. So the death of my beloved mother, oh, may her soul rest in peace, have not shown this man any lesson. He is now planning to kill those we sent to the city to look for the IGWE. Oh God. God, why was I born into this family? And God, why me? Why? Oh, God.
To your house.
Okay, I was even coming to your place.
Fire on the mountain.
What?
Fire on the mountain. The boys we sent to kill Ebube and others have failed us.
What?
So Ebube and others are now free, moving in the town. To compound it all, there is news going around that Indoka will be back in 2 days' time.
Indoka?
Indoka?
Indoka will not be alive to set foot on this soil.
Hey!
Come into the car.
No matter the size of a bridge, it can never stop the water from flowing. An ordinary man cannot drink water from a basket. Ichie, you are a friend of the spirits. That is why you can drink water from a basket.
Yes.
This time, what do you want me to do to him?
I want him dead. Dead.
I can see him traveling.
Yes, I know that he is traveling. He's expected home tomorrow or next.
Then he will die by an accident.
Are you sure it will work this time?
Quite sure, quite sure.
I trust you.
It will.
All right, I'll come back. Ọṅụ n'ime onye nwanyị Onwego, Ngoria, Ongo Gini Monyawem. Ngoria, Ngoria, Ngoria Makani Nekwezioku. Ngoriba Ongoki, Ni Monyawem. Ngoria, Ongoni. Wait. This is, yes, AH 791 AGL. 791 AGL. Okotobulu. I know I am going to catch someone by this time of the day. Evildoers, murderers. Who knows what he has come to do here again? Okay, I am going to hide. That's him. Okotobulu, Kocha Master, PhD, Okolofaja. Whether he's even raping another young woman inside that bush, it's not impossible. Let me hide. Igwe! Igwe! Igwe gadi! Igwe gadi ndulu mwe baby. Hello. Obodo buru needs Igwe like you. Igwe! Okotoburu. Or whatever you are called, Okote. You know, it's only the evil spirits and evil-minded people like you can move around this place by this time of the day. Now, so you have refused to change. Igwe, Okotobulu, Wabo Luyaka, Ikocha, Agadi Wanyi Luyaka, Ikocha, Nawani Luyaka, Ikocha, Inganazabazi Okoma, Rapo Okotobulu, your new title is Okoma, Modra, one you did last week, Igwalu, Facha. I know you don't go to church, neither do I go to church. But there is that portion of the Bible that says, touch not my anointed, and my prophet, do him no harm. That brief description in the Bible will help you march to your early grave tomorrow. When you did last week, remember what you did to Gomma? Kocha Master, PhD Okoma. Don't worry. I know what I'll tell you, Buru Kingdom. That you and the Kuku, that you have started again. You are neat again. Looking for somebody to devour. Okoma, that's your new title.
Listen, honey. All I'm saying is that you should be very careful, you know. Always say your prayers and do not forget to pray before going to bed. And let it be the first thing you do every morning. Okay?
It's alright.
I wish you allowed me to go with you.
Honey, not to worry. Had it been I'm traveling with my car, we would have gone together. But not to worry. When there is need for you to be at home, I will send for you, okay?
Okay.
Now, you have to do me one favor.
Which is?
Help me get my Holy Bible.
Yes, very important.
That's my girl. Oh, please be faster about that.
Good afternoon, Dad.
Charles, how do you do?
Dad, I'll be going back to school this afternoon.
Isn't it late? Why don't you leave it till tomorrow?
Actually, Dad, I received a phone call from one of my classmates that we will be having a quiz very early tomorrow morning. So I have to go and prepare myself.
I see. Well, it's all right. Go into my bedroom. You'll see my chest of drawers. Pull out the second drawer and take 50,000 from there.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad.
You're here. We are finished, sir. We are finished. What is the problem? Indoka is back. No, he can't be. Indoka is back. Right now at the village square, everybody is there waiting for him. The old, the young, the sick, the healthy. They are there waiting for him.
Ichi Onuego.
Yes?
Are you sure Indoka will still come?
Why not? I believe he will still come. You know, people like that, they don't swallow their words. They will keep to their words. He will come.
Are you sure he will still remember the road to this place?
Oh, why not? Why not? After all, he wasn't too young when he left. He was elderly enough. He will remember that bookworm. He will even have the map of Ubru for his head.
Eh?
Oh, yes.
Why have you known that Bobo went also? Oh, don't work at it. I was not saying the crew getting one. Eh? They're going on at 12 blues. I'll give him that. What is in Ganiru? You get about Togino to Togino, 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 Uncle. Eh? They can't be alone. I'll come in. I'll come in. I'll come in. Jello Nago. You jog, who do jog, not if you can have my road. Okay. It's not good. I so come. I'm a new neighbor. I'm a new neighbor. I'm a new neighbor. How could the man's autogy? Other than a man's autogy.
Onuego, is that not him?
Hey! Uburu, Muria, Ongu, Nimanye Mwai. Onuego, Muria, Ongu, Nine Kwezioku. Goria. Uburu, Muria, Nigwa, Natago. Uburu,
Onuego, you said
I didn't remember.
Now listen.
Can't you hear some music? Some music? Can't you hear?
Yes, I've been hearing this music for some time.
Good! They are playing music, waiting excitedly to see him. To receive Indoka.
Wait. Indoka is back.
Indoka is back.
And this music is for him.
Exactly. Iwa Walker. Okote, what do we do? What do we do? Eh?
Come, let's go and think.
Okote, Indoka must never be allowed to step into this town alive. Please, 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 please. Iwa Walker. If it happens, we are no more. We are Iwa Walker.
Ngwa, olu no mume. Olu no mume. No. Asibu de wo. Deno.
Let us go. Oborongora. Angu nekwigweki. Nina bwezengega chuburu. Moria. Gloria na yemwe gezo buru.
The battle is not yet lost. That man has a powerful force around him. Ngeno ogene ekene kwa mu nozo. Mberede ke eji amadike, ma mberede nyi dike. Osi nga na halacha nku akia. Anya gara igwe ofu ndị mmụọ. Agwogala mmagala ana. Mmagala agwo ogbu ana. Ọkụ o mere. Onu si m gaa n'iru egwu atụ na m. Egwu anakwa na atụ afọ buru ụzọ. Hey, something can be done about it.
I hope it will work this time.
It will. You can now go.
All right.
Walker.
No, we saw.
You saw what?
Nah, your son Charles. Hang himself.
Charles?
Yes.
Hanged himself?
Yes.
Walker.
My son Charles hanged himself. Where?
No, at Ngudele.
Where?
Ngudele.
Well, you can go now.
Sorry.
You can go now.
What is happening?
I don't know. Look, this moron would have died instead of Charles. Charles has been my only support all through my trials, all through my tribulations. Now he's gone and I'm left with this moron.
Okote, what is happening? What is happening? Are you sure the gods are not responsible for your misfortune?
No, the gods have no hand in this. My wife died of an accident. Charles, well, I just heard about Charles. That's a different matter altogether.
Oh, okay. What about Frank here?
Frank is the architect of the misfortunes, a drug addict.
Drug addict?
Yes.
Iwa Walker.
Let's go in and leave that idiot in.
Iwa Walker.
I hope all is well. Yes, I came in respect of our previous discussion. Please, can you be specific? It's the date for coronation. You know, it's supposed to be on a K day. And tomorrow is a K day. The next K day will be 4 days now.
Yeah, okay. That will be fine. At least it will enable me time for my wife to have come around.
Thank you, Igwe. So, I should pass message around.
Go on and pass on the message. Okay?
Igwe.
It shall be well with you and your household.
Thank you very much.
Hey, since I'm on my way out, let's then go.
Okay.
All right.
Indoka will be installed the Igwe tomorrow.
Why are they in such a hurry?
That's not the issue. It's not the issue. The issue is that Ikuku has failed us. What do we do? What do we do?
I don't know. You see, it is either Ikuku is not as strong as we have always thought him to be, or he is working for the enemy. Whichever it is, I will never set foot in his shrine again.
Nah, no way.
Do you have an alternative?
Yes. There is a great Dibia in Amata. In fact, he wines and dines with the spirit. His name is Isimbi. Isimbi.
Wait a minute. Isimbi.
Yes.
Isimbi. I have heard that name before.
Okay.
In fact, those who talked to me about him say that he's a great Dibia.
Yes. Let's try Isimbi.
Well, since we are desperate, we don't have a choice. Let's give him a trial.
Oh, yeah.
Now that we have moved into the final phase of the battle, therefore we must try anything. I am suggesting we go there tomorrow morning first thing.
Tomorrow is okay.
All right.
Yeah, we are home. There is nothing to be compared to nature. Where you come, you can see the trees. Early in the morning, they give you those sweet sound breeze. And the birds backing it up.
And it's good to be home.
Good to be home.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, come on, baby. I know you must be very tired after such a long journey.
Yes, I am, but I'm very, very happy to be here, you know. Being the first time I'm visiting my husband's hometown. I'm really happy.
You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you. So, tell me, how is the preparation going?
Well, fine. So far, so good. No problems. No problems at all. But all the same, you have to freshen up first, and then we will talk later.
Okay. Whose house is this?
House?
Yes.
It's my late father's house, of course. I say it once again. You are welcome to my hinterland.
Thank you.
After you, please.
Come on, let's go.
All right.
The powers surrounding this man are so much that he can be killed. Attempting to kill him is like engaging the gods in a fight. So many attempts have been made and they bounce back.
Does this have to do with what is happening in my family?
So says the spirit.
Isn't it?
Huh?
Allowing this man to be the IGWE means that my friend and I are finished. So he must not be allowed to be the IGWE. Can't you do something about it?
Ho! Ho! Ndokaku. Abange keneki weke. Bageliro linori werie. Gini me no bosi afọ. Bata no bosi afọ. Gebo mgba afọ we bula afọ. Bata no bosi nko. Gebo mgba ko we kworo nwa n'azụ. Ho! Mu abu akpị. Akpị gbara n'ọgọ mbize. Gba okwute ọgọrọ mpoto. Gba igwe ọgọrọ mmiri. Ho! I have a solution.
What's the solution?
I will make him a drunkard. From there, he will become mad and go out of the village.
And if he goes out of the village, he will never come back.
Never! Never! He will never come back.
Honey. Why are you staring at me like that? Honey. Indoka. What? What is it? Where are you rushing to? What is it?
I'm going downtown to see somebody.
But wait. You can wait. You want to see somebody downtown? Please talk to me. Come back on time, oh. I don't know why you're staring. I don't even know what you're staring at. I don't know what is wrong.
Who is here? Who they here they sell now? Who they here they sell? Yeah. Oh, Indoka. Uburu, make una hear me oh. Make una see me oh. I don't be thief. I don't be wayo. When you come, your money there here. Anyway, Papa, when you come, your money is here.
No.
Good afternoon.
I hope Igwe is ready.
No, he's not around.
Where did he go to?
I don't know. He said he wants to go and see some people downtown. I don't really know. Hope there's no problem.
But he knows that we should take him to Ezemo for purification.
Hey, I don't know. Hey, Ndoka, I don't know.
Ebube, in that case, I suggest we wait for him. He may soon be around.
Oh, in that case, come in and sit down, please.
Bring us chair here.
Let's sit here.
You will be comfortable.
That's better.
No.
So, what can I get for you?
Let's be waiting first.
Okay.
Let's be waiting.
I'm doing something inside. I'll join you.
Okay, you are free.
You are free.
na-eme arụ na-eme ewo ewo ife na-eme arụ na-eme ewo ife na-eme n'obodo ọ bụ maka gịnị ọ bụ maka gịnị ọ bụ maka anụ naanị ọ bụ maka gịnị ọ bụ maka gịnị ọ bụ maka ndị na-emepụ ụwa
Where will I go from here? Take it easy. Eh? Stop crying, my daughter. Eh? Nothing will happen to your husband. The eyes of the gods are on him. And they will never depart from him. The youths are there searching for your husband, and they will soon bring him here.
Let's take him in.
Are you sure they will find him? Yes.
Are you sure they will find my
You are sure? You see, Lolo, stop crying. Nothing will happen to your husband, and nothing will happen to our Igwe. It's a promise of our God.
Yes.
And the eyes of our gods are fixed on him. Nothing will do him. Soon as the youth will bring him back home.
Exactly.
So stop crying.
He will be here.
He will soon be back. Eh?
He will be here.
Hey, you people have no respect for the Igwe. Put me up. No, down. You people do not have respect for the Igwe of Igbo. Hey, out.
Why are you doing
Go.
this? Take it easy, baby.
Hey.
Take it easy.
Hey.
I thank you all. But first of all, where did you find him?
And at the village entrance, just before the stream.
Yes. Igwe needs some rest. You can go to your respective homes. Very soon I will connect you people. Are you not the son of Mazoka?
Yes.
I told you.
Yes.
Just a resemblance.
This boy.
Oh yeah, thank you all. You can go.
Inda, you said we should...
You can go.
We should...
Dalonu.
Now we're going home.
Okay. But I thank the gods of our land. Huh?
Indoka, what is the meaning of this? You left home since yesterday, only for you to come back this morning with the story that you don't know what happened.
My dear, honestly, I don't know what happened. To be sincere with you, I believe I was sure I knew what I was doing, but
what was happening to me is what I don't know. Just that I noticed I found myself in a shop drinking.
Drinking?
Yeah. Drinking, I don't know. My dear, it was strange.
In that case, we must make every necessary arrangement to leave this village by tomorrow. Thank God they've postponed the coronation. They will never see you again in this village, oh. In fact, they should go and find someone else.
My dear,
please.
I think you are right. You are right.
It's okay, baby. It's alright. Please, I don't want to lose you, okay?
Ebube, this is not natural. Something is behind it. Don't you see? It's so strange, indeed.
Ezudo, I smelt a rat. Our enemies are at work again. They are at work again, but we must find the solution.
Solution. Haven't we gone beyond our elastic limit? What else do you think we can do?
Our gods are not sleeping.
I know, but what are we going to do?
To consult Ezemo. He will know what to do.
Ebube, if I may suggest, is it not better we consult a Dibia who will divine and tell us who are the evils perpetuating this act? We must get to the root of it, yo. Otherwise, it will continue like this.
You may be right. But still, we must consult Ezemo.
Okay, if you feel that is better, we must consult him.
Yes, and we must be fast about it. Let's do it.
Why would you be arguing with me? Yeah? After all, I told you, and you talked me into coming to this village. I told you I wasn't ready to come.
My dear, I never knew that this your village is full of witches and wizards. Not just ordinary witches and wizards though, but the ones that have attained a nuclear level. They will never see me.
Look at who is talking. When we went to your village, what did we see? No, just be frank with yourself.
What did you see?
A fowl wearing shoe and tying wrapper. And you're talking about my village.
Oh God, honestly, honey, I regretted coming to this village. This village is filled with witches and wizards. Scientific witches and wizards.
Please, can we leave now?
Well, had it been you allowed me come with you at the earlier stage, it wouldn't have gotten to this point. Let me go and get our bag so that we'll leave. Honey? Honey? Indoka? Where has he gone? Honey? Where has Indoka gone? Eh? Honey?
Father, what is this? Where is Nduka? Honey! Hey.
Nduka!
I'm tired of this. I'm tired. I know anyway this. Honey! 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 Indoka! Hey.
This is Igwe Indoka, the second of food. Afulagu ya tana neko. Tell them, all the witches and wizards, I will deal with them, one after the other. I know them. You think I don't know your plan? Ha! Afulagu ya tana nekwe. I know the problem.
What is your
All the Afulagu ya tana nekwe. Wait, you. This is the time for me to say it. All the witches and wizards in this village, I will deal with them. I will make this village a danger zone for them. I, Indoka. Oh, Afulagu ya tana nekwe. Afulagu ya tana nekwe. You see? See what I'm telling you? They have succeeded in transplanting this man's brain. Do you know what is brain transplanting? It is the exchange of human brain with that of fowl or chicken.
Hey!
Yes. My brother, don't worry. I know what your problem is.
Please.
Yeah? The witches and wizards have succeeded in... What is happening? What am I doing here? Goodness God.
Igwe, what is your problem? This is impossible. Igwe. Come. What is wrong with him? Epi. Are you okay?
Not you. Not me.
Are you okay?
Not
What
me.
is it?
You're Frank, right?
Yes.
Igwe. Igwe.
What is it? Are you okay?
He wore the crown fix. Let him wear it if he deserves it. For who the gods have chosen, no one can change it, no matter what happens. For what's meant to be will surely be. What will be, will be. For what's meant to be will surely be. What will be, will be. Greed, selfish needs, and evil deeds. Is there other day? That's the kind of thing we see today. Covetousness and wickedness. That's what people do today. Just because they want something so bad, they are willing and ready to do anything and everything just to have it. They will steal.
And what is it again, Lolo? Stand up, stand up. What is it?
Eh? Indoka has gone out again.
Gone out again? To where?
I don't know. I don't.
But where are you going to now? Do you know any place here?
I don't care. All I know is I want to see my husband and I must see him.
Come. We will find him. Take it easy. Eh?
Hey,
What are we going to do?
Let us go to Waima's shop. He must be there drinking. I know.
There?
Yes.
Eh? Let us go. Follow us. Stop crying.
We thank God, though. Eh? Indoka.
Thank God, though. Let's be going, let's be going.
He wore the crown fix. Let him wear it if he deserves it. For who the gods have chosen, no one can change it, no matter what happens. For what's meant to be will surely be. What will be, will be. For what's meant to be will surely be. What will be, will be. Greed, self-love.
Hey, stop there. Stop there.
Come here. Stop. Come. Yes.
Your own don't finish today.
This time around, you're not going to be twice lucky.
Your own don't finish.
Come around, you're not going to be lucky.
No.
Close your mouth,
up,
woman. Say your last prayers.
No.
Shut up. Close your mouth.
We're sorry, please.
We are just messengers. Please. We are sent by Okotoblu and Ono to kill him. Yes. Please, we won't try it again. It was a mistake. Spare our life, please. Who are they talking to now? Please don't come on. Don't. We're not going to try it again. The gods of our land have liberated us. Thank God. Who are they talking to now? Let's go. Let's be going. Hey! Hey! Will you stop looking? Indoka, Madio. Hey! Let's be going.
Okote! 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 Okote!
What is the problem?
We are in the biggest trouble in our life.
What is the problem?
The boys we sent to kill Indoka failed and thereafter confessed that we sent them. I want to run away. Very soon, the villagers will come after us.
So you want to run away?
I want to run away. I'm running away.
All right.
Okote, I'm gone. I'm gone.
This is serious. The boys confessed. Okotobulu, you shall not run away. No man scares me. Let them come. Let them come.
Ichi onu ego. Engo ju okwechiri. What is that, Okeke? Okeke, what is it? Stop panting. Talk to us.
Monkey talk.
What is that?
DJ, I was on top of the mango tree. When I looked down, I saw 2 dead bodies. Then I was forced to climb down and get close to the body. When I get close to it, it was the lifeless body of Ichi Ojinaka and Ichi Okotobu.
Hello. Hello. Very good.
Onye kote. Ijirisi eburu.
Yes. Those who live by the sword shall die by the sword. I said it.
Okeke. You did well. Huh? What you will do now? Go and collect the youths. Take them to that place. Let them carry the bodies to the evil forest. We are here for an important tradition. Purification of the king. Nobody here will leave this place until the ceremony is over. Yeah? Go.
Ndiche, I will do that.
Hey! There's nothing like without vagabonds. They deserve to die. You see? Later, you people will start believing me. You will start confirming my words. I said it. You will not believe me.
You said it.
I will celebrate it. After this meeting, all of you, I'm inviting you to my house. Where we will have enough to drink. Okotobulu, let them die.
Elders of Oboro land. Finally, I want to hand over the staff of leadership. Ochie, Igwe Ndoka Amadi, the 3rd of Oboro land. Igwe, you shall live long. Igwe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Igwe nduke chieze, kaingoliwa, Igwe nduke chieze, kaingoliwa, Igwe nduke chieze, kaingoliwa, Igwe nduke chieze, kaingoliwa, Igwe nduke chieze.
The crown fits, let him wear it if he deserves